Here's an awesome iPhone trick that I bet you didn't know. Check this out.
In Message, easily add your favorite person you text by tapping on their message, shake it around, then drag it to the top. To add photos, instead of tapping the plus icon, then Photos, you can go straight to Photos by holding down on the plus icon. When you write in Message, you can double tap to highlight the last word you were typing, or triple tap to highlight the whole message for a quicker edit. Here's a couple ways to save space in your iPhone. Easily delete your duplicate photos and videos. Open the Photo app, go to Albums, scroll down to Duplicate Photos, select all, then Merge. Your iPhone saves all your deleted messages, so go into your message, tap on Edit, tap on Show, Recently Deleted, then delete all the messages. Perfect if you're really trying to hide your secret message that loves to look at your iPhone messages. Subscribe, share, and follow for more. If you have your iPhone plugged in and you have it displayed sideways, your iPhone will now turn into an alarm clock. And there are a handful of different faces that you can pick from. If you delete your email, by tapping 3 fingers on the screen, you can undo and bring back that email. You can also shake it and bring back that deleted email. In your web browser, you can select the little A icon, then select Listen to Page, and then Siri will read you the whole website. Select on the tiny speaker icon to bring up the Listen control menu. Share, subscribe, and follow for more. Click on the power button 3 times, type in your sentence, and send, then it will speak in your own voice. Subscribe and follow for more tips. You have to go to Settings, scroll down to Accessibilities, then scroll all the way down to Personal Voice. Share, subscribe, and follow for more. You can share your contacts instantly by tapping your iPhones like this. During a phone call, you can change the microphone to standard if you want them to hear the background noise or there's a group of guys talking on the same phone. Or change to voice isolation if you want the noise cancellation and they can only hear you talk. You can hold down on the spacebar, then drag your finger around and your cursor will move around like a mouse. You can open up a photo that has text and still be able to copy text from that photo and paste it on a notepad. Make typing more enjoyable by going to your settings, sound and haptic, and turning on haptic. And now you can feel the feedback each time you type. When you send an iPhone message, you have 15 minutes to edit your text and have 2 minutes to delete your message. Open up your camera. Your camera will recognize other languages. You can tap on the sentence, then tap on the little square icon, then tap Translate. You can have Siri say it in perfect Korean pronunciation
15년의 감금 5일의 추적.
so you can learn how to say them yourself, or have Siri read it in English for you.
5 days of tracking of 15 years of incarceration.
My top favorite Korean movie ever, Old Boy. Definitely check it out.